welcome to Canmore. Check out our newest and most exciting listing here in Canmore. So close to the mountains, the trails, the skiing trails. What we have here is just about a 2,000 square foot home. We have 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths. We have attached garage. And what's really cool about this property is the lockout, walkout, lower level, illegal nanny suite. You guys, come on in, let's have a look. What I really love about this home is this wonderful alpine open design and these great views of these. Well, look at the 3 sisters. And wow, the sunshine just pours in here. Man, this place is picture perfect. These mountain views coming with a spacious 2,100 square foot home with 3 bedrooms and 3 full baths. This open design kitchen is just lovely for entertaining and families alike. Nice dining and living room with this vaulted V-groove pine ceilings. Folks, this is an amazing location on the sunny side of the valley on a quiet, desirable cul-de-sac, so close to the great hiking and cycling trails and ski Nordic Center and all these super mountains nearby. Call today with questions. Folks, back out front of the property, you can start dreaming. Just last summer, it was my goal. I never did it, but lots of my friends have. The Canmore Quad. People attempt this all in a day. Well, you can take a week or maybe the summer. But man, this is an exciting place. Start dreaming, come have a look.